Juliet is visiting today, and she has a cyst, and they're super common because I'm gonna do these videos every time I see one come in.
Every time.
And she's here for a little health check, and you know hers is actually already burst, so you can see the kind of white stuff. Well, basically, what this is like a giant pimple. And
what do you call this? Whoa! What do you call this?
Sebaceous cyst.
A sebaceous cyst.
Yeah, so this one is already open, so it's easy to clean it out.
Okay.
You gotta just squeeze it out. Small enough to be able to heal by itself. When they get bigger, and they can get like huge. I mean, I've seen them like this big. We had one the other day actually with which was a neglected cyst, as I like to call them, where it's completely
the
burst.
big one.
Yeah, that really big one. That needs surgical intervention. You can't really do anything about that yourself. But this one should be, you know, we can nip this one in the butt. Hopefully it's gonna go away.
Did you say bud?
Yeah, I did.
So I have to do the closed captionings on this.
Okay, let's see if she'll stay here. Why don't you go and have a little treat?
Are sebaceous cysts like this common in specific spots, or because I don't know if I've seen one on the top of the head like this?
You know, they are absolutely everywhere. I've had one last week. Someone came in with a piggy. He had it right here. Honestly, not really on the underside. It's on the top.
Okay.
So, but really just about anywhere they pop up.
Okay.
Usually, they're quite harmless. You can leave them. You don't really need surgical intervention. But if you can pop them, then do. But you want to use a little blade. You probably want to have the vet do it, unless you really, know what you're doing and feel comfortable doing it.
Yep.
But this one probably just needs a little squeeze and to have the stuff come out. So.
Okay. Okay. Oh boy. Wow.
Should have probably shaved it. It's so small. Hi, Annie. I know. I think we pretty much already got it. Here, have your snack. So this definitely doesn't hurt. It's just uncomfortable.
So would you just
so you can
wash it off with a...
And this is where it gets a little worrying. Do you see the little opening here?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
so,
wow.
Yeah, so it's quite big. So this is what the concern is that the skin is not gonna get back together by itself. So we're gonna monitor this, and hopefully it will, but otherwise the vet needs to...
When Tito had his surgery, we had some kind of special ointment. Forget what it was called, but the ointment, and then we put sugar in the wound, and then the special ointment.
Make it heal.
Yeah. And it was just regular sugar that you get from a coffee shop.
Yeah. That's to kind of heal. We do that sometimes, we use that technique with bumblefoot, but something like this...
Because his stitch fell out.
Because this is not necessarily infected, right? This is just...
Not yet. Oh boy.
Yeah, I want to get all of it out so that it gets the best chance to heal. Because if there's anything left in there, it's not going to heal up. It's just going to fill up again. So, and that's the... See, now here's a nice big piece. That's good. I got this one out. Kind of a harder...
Hold on, let me... Yep. Okay, where did it go? Wow, it's like bright pink.
So... Now we're just gonna have to see what it looks like in a couple of days. If this is gonna go. And
just a little Neosporin, that's it?
Yeah, just a little Neosporin.
Looks pretty clean now.
She's getting very frustrated. Have a little friend here. Go play with your friend. Looks like you, little.
She's like, I'd rather have some lettuce.
Like, that's a weird guinea pig.
It's a baby.
All right, so I'm just gonna clean this up a little more, see if I can get everything out, and then well, hopefully that's it.
Okay. And what's this piggy's name again? Who is this piggy?
Juliet.
Juliet. She was a really great patient. She's so sweet. Juliet, thank you. Oh. Thanks, Saskia. Okay.
So I actually shaved it, which is needed to be done. I should have done that right away. I really squeezed it a little harder and got everything out, so it really looks clean inside now. I'm really confident that it's all out. Then flushed it with betadine solution.
Yep.
And just some Neosporin that I kind of packed it with.
Yep.
And I can put a little more. And you know, hopefully by tomorrow this is gonna be looking great.
Yeah, I always say that guinea pigs have that Wolverine superpower.
Yes, they do. It's amazing how these wounds heal. So hopefully this is it.
Right
and
before
will
your
not
eyes.
require veterinary intervention.
Awesome. Great. All right. Well, thanks, Saskia.